Hello and welcome to tazwells12. You are again on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12. I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be a haul video, and in that video will be Tesco's, Home Bargains and B&M. A few small bits from B&M. So that's today's video. Before we get into that video, I just want to say the nitty gritty stuff. That will be, if you like the video or you like the products, then please give it a massive thumbs up, because it always helps me out to know what you guys like. If you are new to my channel and this is your first video you're watching from me, then you can subscribe to tazwells12, my YouTube channel, which if you hit the subscribe button, you can also hit the notification button, because I'll tell you when a video has been uploaded and you can see it straight off the back. I would like to thank my existing viewers and my subscribers for still watching these videos and giving me the good thumbs up. It always helps me out, so thank you very much. I just want to say that I am not sponsored in this video by Home Bargains, Tesco or B&M. This is brought all out of my own money. This is things I wanted or needed, so I got them, and I'm just giving you an advice video through these clips. I think that's everything. Let's get on into the multi-brand haul. The first load of items I'm going to start with are from Tesco. You've probably seen in what I got for Christmas 2020. There was a pair of slippers that I said about that I really loved. Well, they were in beige, but I went back and actually got two more pairs, but they're black, and they are amazing. They're a little bit different, so we'll go through them. First ones I actually got were these ones. These are a little bit different than the ones I did show you in that other video, that what I got for Christmas 2020. They were an open toe one, but these ones are over the foot. But I wanted these because they are super soft. To be fair, these are really nice too, and lovely and really soft. But I wanted black. Black is such a good colour just to go with anything. It won't get dirty. I love the beige ones that my mum did get, but they will get very dirty. These were the next best ones. I was actually going to get like a lighter grey ones in these, but I thought, no, let's go for black. Black is such a good statement colour. On here, this has got a flexible sole, so I'm guessing it's like it's got like crunchy bits in it, so it's like softer on the foot, so it's not so hard. These are from F&F and Tesco's. There's not really any name for these, but I got a 5 to 6. I think they're called the Loungewear Collection Set. Just here, that's what I would go what they're called. And these were £10, and they're so worth it. And you know what I've actually seen as well? Scooping on the White Company website, and they've actually started doing the shape like this. So these are really popular. The ones I got from my mum, they already do. So they do them in a grey and a beige, I think, or white colour. But they're so expensive. That's why I said that they were dupes. But these are going to be dupes now, because these are exactly the same. Obviously, I've got a black. They wouldn't have black. They'll obviously have like white or grey, because that's the White Company kind of theme. But yes, exactly, look, they are pretty much the same, but just half the price. And like I said, they did them in a couple of different colours. Really nice for £10 on them ones. The other set I got was black too, but they're a different sort of style. So these are like, again, open toe, but the ones that I got for beige ones are like sort of a crossy design, where these ones are just over the toes. I don't think they're literally the same material as them ones, but they are super soft. Still really soft. Again, black is always good. This is still from the Loungewear Collection Set, which is a 5 to 6. I got these. I was going to big up, but I think it's a bit better when these are a little bit tighter, just to stay on your foot. These haven't got no name again, but these were a little bit cheaper, and these were £7. Stocked up on all my slippers through Tesco's this time, because Tesco's had really good ones. The one that was local to us didn't really have any black. They sold out the black. I can understand, because everyone wants the neutral colour, the easy colour to go with. We went to a different Tesco's. It's about 15-20 minutes away from us, and they had all the black set, so really happy with them. Next place we're going to go on to is B&M. There's only a couple of things on this receipt that I actually got because there wasn't that much in there, to be fair. There was a couple of things I was looking out for but didn't quite see them. Disappointing, but never mind, we can try someone else. Things that I did get in there was a total of like 4 things. Not the greatest for B&M, but it was the Zongonin. It's like the bottle with the B on it. It's the gin. They got some good gins in the B&M place if your one does alcohol, so definitely look out for that. I got the cherry bakewell one. It's in like a long thin bottle, but it is so good. Honestly, it's the best gin. I got one of them before Christmas, and then I went to have a look and got another one in there, so it was really good. So they're stocking up, and they do other flavours, so definitely check that out. That was $11.99, which is such a bargain. Really nice gin, fruity. If you like cherry, lovely, great gin. But the other things I got in there was just some simple impulse spray. So I actually got 2 of them because these, I absolutely love this like scent. So this is the Impulse Be Surprised body fragrance. Honestly, this one with like the green and the purple is my favourite smell. I've got a red one at the moment I'm using, but the green and the purple one are absolutely my favourites. This is good, and these are only like £1 each. Honestly, these smell insane. This one does. It's just like one of the best smells. Grab 2 of them because they're always handy. They're always handbag worthy. You can spray them on anytime before you go out the door. Honestly, hygiene is a good thing, and smelling great is always a good thing as well. So they were really nice for £1 each. And the last thing that I grabbed from B&M was this, and it is this SC Johnson's, a family company, the Glade Shake and Vac with odour neutralizer, magnolia and vanilla. I think with vanilla, absolutely love. Never tried this. You can get a cheeky sniff at the top of this bottle, but anything with vanilla in it, it's got to be great. I grabbed one of these because they're only £1 each. I thought, you know what, this is really good. Let's just go for it. At the end of the day, what can go wrong? Then you can put it all over your carpet, and then you basically, or any rugs, and then you vacuum it over, and then it makes the room smell nice. One to have a little go at, and anything with vanilla just smells really nice. So that's that. Now we're going to go on to the final place, which is Home Bargains. In Home Bargains surprised me the most because honestly it had some good makeup bits for a really cheap price, and they're an American brand, and I bought one of them one time only. I asked Neil for it for like a birthday present or Christmas present, I can't remember which one, but it's a bronzer that I got. And honestly, it's the best thing, and they had loads of little bits in there, and I can't believe how much it was, because the one he got me was about £12 to £13, so yeah, it was quite an expensive bronzer, but honestly it's the best thing. But they had it in there for really cheap, so we'll go on to the next little few items now. Products I was on about was from Physics Formula. If you've never heard of this brand before, honestly you need to try it. It was like raved about for ages. This bronzer I've got smells like coconut. So when I went in Home Bargains and saw that they were doing like Physics Formula makeup, like a big range of it, but each product was £1.49. £1.49. I paid, well Neil paid £12 to £13 for my bronzer. They didn't have that bronzer unfortunately, because I would have grabbed another one to have some other little goodies in there. The first one we're going to start with is two of exactly the same thing. It's these, but you could probably see like a difference. These were kind of hard to tell in the shop because I kind of like a darker foundation and I kind of like a lighter foundation, depending on my mood and what I feel like and everything. And then my mum was like, oh my god, that foundation looks good, so she grabbed one too. I grabbed a darker one, that's the darker one, and then a lighter one, just in case, depending what I feel like for that day. Maybe a lighter one, you can use a little bit more concealer, a little bit more bronzer. This one you could just put on put a little bit of bronzer on and you're off you go, so you don't have to bronze up too much with this one. I'll go through one of these because they're basically the same thing. This is from Physics Formula. I was so excited when I saw these. Honestly, couldn't believe it. So this is the Youthful Wear Youth Boosting Spotless Foundation, and this is SP15. They have a good SPF on them, so that's really good. The only problem is that you couldn't really match your sort of colour scheme because it was kind of hard because you had to go by the bottle. And there was another one in there that I actually originally picked up. I thought it was a darker foundation, but it wasn't. It was a pinky foundation. I do not suit a pinky foundation, so I had to be really careful. I'm more of like a beigey colour. I can either go a darky beige or a lighty beige. What I did, I picked a darker one, but that's all you had, this little tag bit up here to go by and the bottle, so you had to be really careful with what you did. Because look, because now you can probably see the difference once they're together. I was so impressed with these, not just because they were Physics Formula, because they're droplet bottle, they're glass bottle, they've got a little brush in there, so every bottle you get a foundation brush. This brush is so soft because my mum used her one and we tried it and I touched the brush. Super soft, really good. You know what also these little brushes could be really good for? Concealer brushes, like to under your eye and in your eyebrow and anywhere on a spot, and I thought that was really good for £1.49. Next one I got from Physics Formula again. This intrigued me. So it's like a little powder, looks quite nice. It's like pale sort of powder with like a sort of beigey colour in it, and then in the middle it's got like a little glitty highlight, looks like, but the packaging is unreal. Like just look at the packaging, like the whole thing of it is just amazing. This is the Argan Wear, so it says beige up the top, so you kind of get the colour schemes. It's an ultra nourishing argan oil powder, and it says luxurious radiant glow on the bottom. I'm guessing it gives you that little bit of shimmer to make you feel a little bit glowy. Nice. Comes in the back like that. That's how my other one come in. Like there's a mirror and a little brush. I don't really use a little brush that comes with it. Honestly, you cannot go wrong with this. It's just unreal. It really is. Yeah, these products are so good. I will do a tester video with all these products because, I might just do one each because they're quite good and I need to know how to try these out. I'm not sure what kind of powder this is. I'm not sure if it's an all over the face powder or it's a foundation powder or what it is, so I need to find out what that is. This next one really intrigued me because it's an eyeshadow, but it's 3 eyeshadows. Honestly, I could not pick this up. Honestly, for £1.49 I was like, oh my god. So this is the Shimmer Strips Extreme Shimmer Custom Eye Enhancing Gel Cream Shadow and Liner Trio. So you could use it as both of them. So there's a nude eye, for nude eyes looks. I'm trying to read it because there's some like different language on there and some English, but on there it says 3 times custom looks. You get a natural, which is champagne, you get a playful, which is a nude, and then you get a dramatic, which is a mocha. Shimmery nude eyes, and these just look really pretty, and it does tell you on the back what to do. So there's a base, a liner, a highlight. So they're saying that's a base, that's a highlight, and that's a liner. Really like these. Really pretty colours. Always will go with something. I've not tried these out before, but just when I saw them I thought, you know what, I am definitely picking these up because they're new colours. Everyone will go for them, and for £1.49 that is a bargain. The last one from the Physics Formula that I was quite intrigued about, this intrigued me. There was 2 mascaras there, but this one's the one that kind of got me the little bit extra. I was like, oh, I'm gonna buy. This is the Organic Wear 100% natural organic mascara. So if you like really natural material mascara, this might be really, really good. I love the packaging where it's got like the organic like thing and this little leaf on the top, really cute design. And then what sort of like blew me into this, yeah, so here on the back it says the formula with pure ingredients boost lashes volume, length and definition naturally. It's all natural ingredients, so really, really good. Bit that sort of intrigued me the most was this 5 times lash boosting, and it had there as well, and it's in black, so that's good. They're all in black, and I was like, wow, like if anything that gets to boost your lashes or naturally enhances them, then how can you go wrong? So this was the one that sort of blew me over with the extra little boost for the lashes basically, and that was £1.49 as well. Then I just got some essentials, which was some paracetamol. So these were the plus capsules. These affect pain relief. There's 16 capsules in there. And then I just got some ibuprofen one. These were 99p for the ibuprofen, which has 8 capsules in there at 200 mg. So there's not a lot in there, but you don't really need a lot of these. They're more like for headaches and bits like that. And these were a little bit cheaper at 59p, so that's good, and you get 2 packets in there. Last item from this haul and Home Bargain was another little find. So this was really good as well. You've probably seen in one of my other hauls that I actually brought some LAB2 or Lab2 scissors. They're really good, by the way, and they were only 99p. Had some makeup brushes in there, and this really intrigued me because this looks really, really nice. So this is the Lab2 LAB2 Live and Breath Beauty, and this is a Pro Make Me blush brush. I don't think I've got a blush brush, so I was like, oh, this looks really, really nice. It says applying blush or bronzer to highlight cheeks and face. Really, really nice. It tells you how to do it on the back, how to use if you want to have a read of that. It just says how to use me, load me with a powder and tap off access. Smile and place colour onto the apples of the cheeks, blending outwards and downwards towards the hairline or for a natural effect. You can also apply me to the hollows of your cheeks for a sculpted effect. But what just intrigued me was I haven't got a blush brush, and this just looks really nice. Like, I don't know, that looks really expensive. This was only at the price of 99p. And some other brushes there which I pretty much already had, but I thought, you know what, I'm not really into my blush. A nice brush like this might get me into blush, but yes, very, very nice. Love that, and just the quality looks amazing for 99p. This is the end of the video for Home Bargains, B&M and Tesco's haul. I hope that you've liked the video. I hope that my advice helps you out. I'm trying to do a lot more of these videos. You can see a load more on my channel. Honestly, it's best to even look at my old videos. Some of them bargains might be still in the shop, so definitely check them ones out too, because it will always help you. There's a lots more different brands on there, lots more hauls, lots more advice videos, so definitely check them all out. If you are new to this video and this is your first time looking at this video from me, our advice video, then please subscribe to tazwells12 by hitting the subscribe button, hit the notification button. That tells you when I've uploaded a new video, and you can see it straight off the back. If you like the video and the advice I give you any of the products, then please give it a massive thumbs up, because it really helps me out. I love doing these videos for you. I love showing what I've got. It gives people that little extra going on, and these sort of shops you can go to. This coronavirus is going on, so when you're doing your weekly shop, you can pick up some extra little items on the way too. These are a bomb. These are great for the price, so definitely, if you can get down to Home Bargains, definitely pick these up, because these are great brand. That is everything for the video. I just want to say I'm not sponsored by anything I've showed you or any of the brands. I brought it out of my own money. I hope that you've liked it. I hope that you all have a lovely evening or a lovely day. Keep smiling, keep happy, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.